Hey guys, it's Austin with Chonker Crypto, and today is the first video in my new series where I show you guys how to find low-cap altcoin gems. Low-cap altcoins often have some of the highest returns in the entire space, so it can be potentially life-changing to learn how to find these guys. If you liked or learned anything from this video at the end, consider hitting that sub button and smash that like button like it owes you money. Like I was saying earlier, being able to locate and find these altcoins before the masses can be potentially life-changing. So our first step, and what I'm going to show you guys, is just actually where these altcoins are and what's the easiest way to get access to them so we can start researching them and get more information on them. Alright, so jumping into it guys, we're going to open up a web browser and we're going to need to go to CoinGecko.com. Once we have CoinGecko open, what we're actually going to do here is click on the categories tab at the very top up here. So now we're in the categories tab up top. This is just going to list out all the coins in categories. I've talked to many different people that are in the crypto space who have no idea about this feature within CoinGecko. Personally, I've used it to find a bunch of altcoins that are now have done very well. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit more in depth on how to use this feature of CoinGecko. Alright guys, so as we can see, it actually lists the market cap of all these categories from highest to lowest, just like it would the individual coins if you went to just the front page of CoinGecko. Why this can be very helpful, if you scroll down, like I was saying, it goes from highest to lowest. We can see the potentially less funded areas within crypto. And this is where you potentially would need to use your own thought process and decision-making skills to kind of like pick what you think was potentially undervalued within the crypto space, and then go from there. To give you guys an example, say for instance you thought that gaming was going to be a big thing within the crypto space, within the near future, or later on. We'd scroll down, find the gaming category, which should be right here. Click on this, and then this is going to list CoinGecko doesn't have every single coin out there, but if it's relatively well known, which the ones with the higher market cap will be, they should be on here. So from highest to lowest, they have them listed, and this is where you're going to start checking out individual coins, doing actual research on them, and figuring out what they actually are. Many of these gaming coins I've done this with the past, where I've researched them, invested, and now they're actually currently up. But let's scroll down and check out one that I am not familiar with. So like I said, highest to lowest, as I've said 12 times now, keep on going down. So the lower ones are going to have lower market cap, which potentially means higher returns, but way more risky generally. So for example, my neighbor Alice, I don't know what in the world that is. Starting off, what I'm just going to do is just copy the name, open new tab, paste it, and all we're going to do is just check out what in the world this even is. And this is what I recommend the very first step after you find any altcoin that you're not familiar with. Just Google it and take a look at it, see if even the website looks sketchy or scammy, if stuff's misspelled, the website sucks, stuff like that. That'll give you just a right away clear indication on how that project runs and holds themselves, what standards they have. Keep in mind, this is just a very small percentage of the whole thing that you'd actually check within an altcoin. Like I said, this is just the very first step onto seeing it, whether you even want to continue researching this or not, basically. Keep in mind, this works with not only gaming coins, but really any altcoin that's out there. Let's just click on a random category. Dog theme coins, alright. Scroll down, and click on Kishu Inu. Never heard of this one. Copy, paste. Check out their website. Like I said, guys, this is just the very first step. So once I go through the categories, like I said, for example, the gaming one, I'd scroll through here, find some games that actually looked interesting or fun to play, that I personally think that look cool. That's when I started doing more research on the tokenomics, the stuff behind the blockchain, the technology behind the coins, all that kind of good stuff. But this gives you a starting point on things, just coins you wouldn't have known about before that you can actually start researching and potentially new investments for you. Keep in mind, these coins can be much more risky than your traditional cryptos that you'd buy, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the returns can be astronomical compared to those. And also, like I said, this is simply how to, find potential new altcoins to research before you'd ever even think about investing in. There's still plenty more steps you'd need to do before I would even consider putting money in any of these. All we did here is just find coins and checked out their website, basically. I'm going to show you guys how to do all the other deep dives into the coins and the tokenomics, behind their technology, all that kind of good stuff in the upcoming videos. So hit the sub button and stay tuned, boys.